So today we're gonna go fishing. We are going to go to a little spot of a river that I've not really fished, but I'm hoping to get some good fish today. Maybe, I don't even care if I get good fish. Let's just get a couple fish. Alright, this is swampy. Retreat. So the first place was a bust. Couldn't get down to it. It's swampy. There was grass that was taller than I was, and the bugs were eating me alive. So now I'm gonna go to another place that usually I have some luck, but I've never really tried to just go for anything. It's usually a good bass area. But let's see what all we can get. So this spot's not doing real great. Not a bite, lots and lots of car traffic, even a lot of boat traffic coming through. So I think I'm gonna pack up and go to a new spot. So I just pulled up to this little place, and there are what look to be carp everywhere. Let's see if we can't find something worthwhile. Look at that huge turtle. No, it went away. So many fish everywhere. Yep, looking right in the door. I think I foul hooked a carp. Yep, hooked him right in the dorsal fin. Sideways. Yeah, swim right up that boat line. Come on. This way, this way. Ow, oh, you turd. Come on. Good sized fish. All right. Well, this pole hasn't done anything for me except be in the way. But I'm still hopeful. Uh-oh. Whew. Snagged into one of them carp. I just had the smallest bluegill ever chase that in. I think that's it for this spot. It's not really turned out too great. Caught a few, but better than nothing. Maybe I'll go see if I can't find another spot. If not, well, that's the end of the video.